What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Neighbor's Kitchen. Thanks for coming to hang out with me. Good morning, by the way. A few weeks ago, we did an egg scramble breakfast for a bunch of people. Today, we're going to take a similar approach, but we're going to do this meal prep style. Meal prep, I believe, is far from a fad. It's something that's continuously growing in popularity, but in my opinion, I kind of feel like breakfast always gets the short end of the stick when it comes to meal prep. So today, we're gonna make 5 meals, 1 for this morning and then 4 for the rest of the week. That's, in case you didn't know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Easy. It reheats well in the microwave, nice and quick, got it on hand. Plenty of protein, plenty of flavor, will really get you out of bed in the morning. So it's real easy. Here's all you need to start. You need a small, yellow, sweet Vidalia onion, a red bell pepper, a green bell pepper. We're spicing things up a little bit. I got some hot pork sausage. You need 10 eggs. And I'm going with Monterey Jack today. That'll melt real nice, be kind of creamy, nice and flavorful. And then the only thing you need is 2 pans. So I'm gonna use my cast iron and my bigger 14-inch non-stick. You'll see why. So let's go ahead and let's get this going. But hey, first off, to all my new subscribers, I want to say thank you. Welcome to the neighborhood. So if this is fun, if you like watching me cook, if you want to learn, if you want to do this, please make sure you're subscribed. All right? So guys, thank you for hanging out with me. Let's get cooking.
All right, let's start out by getting all of our ingredients prepped here. So we're going to start out with the onion. There's more than one way to skin an onion. Dice an onion. So if you don't like my way, feel free to do it your way. Basically, just dice it, get it into nice manageable cubes, and then do the same with your green pepper. Remove the seeds. Get rid of that white interior stuff. It's edible, but you don't want it in your breakfast. So basically just chop it up into little cubes, right like so. And then once you do that, I like to put it in a bowl along the side. Go ahead and get your red one. If you don't want to use green and red, use your favorite. I just like green and red together because they're different flavors, yet they're the same texture. That's my thing. Do your thing. You don't have to do this just as I do. But yeah, so go ahead and get those in little cubes. Clean up your work area a little bit. And let's get our eggs ready. So this is 10 eggs. I consider about 2 eggs per serving, and we're aiming for 5 here. We'll go ahead and try this whisk to beat them. And it's just reluctant, so I'm gonna get my trusty fork. I'll go ahead and get some oil going in my cast iron pan. That is avocado oil and about 2 tablespoons of butter. And then I'm gonna get my onions going. And within the onions, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. Correction, about 2 cloves worth of garlic paste. Stir it around, let it get fragrant. Oh dear, I'm hungry. And now we're gonna go ahead and get our sock or tube or sleeve of hot pork sausage over here. And let me tell you why I got these 2 different pans here. So to saute my onions, I like a medium-high heat. And my non-stick pan is a little unclear in the warranty. It seems to me like they say it's a lifetime warranty if you never go over 350 degrees, which is right around medium. So my non-stick pan is at medium, and my cast iron pan is medium-high. Don't know if this is a thing, but just in case I need that warranty one day, I'll follow the directions. So now you can see the onions and peppers are completed. I've taken them away from the heat, and we're just gonna keep mixing up my sausage here. Switch over to something rubbery instead of wood. I'm gonna use the lid to help it along. And we're just gonna keep on stirring it around, giving it some even heat, making sure it's nice and consistent in texture. We're getting there. Just bear with me. Can't tell you how good this smells right now. Go ahead and once you're almost done, not all the way done with your sausage, go ahead and add your vegetables and we'll let it finish together. Go ahead and mix everything up. Once it's mixed up, go ahead and add in your eggs. And if you'll notice, there's no seasoning that's been added yet. I saved that for last because of reasons. Sure. Go ahead and put in 2 healthy pinches. That's probably about 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt and pepper mix. And now we're just gonna stir. As you saw a few weeks ago, when you stir your eggs continuously, that's how it's gonna get all fluffy. Fluffy is the way to go, in my opinion. If you want them not fluffy, don't stir as much. Now check this little secret out. Remove it from heat while you go to the fridge and get your sour cream. Put in 3 to 4 tablespoons of sour cream, return back to heat, and mix it in. Now, continuously stirring gives you fluffy eggs, but adding sour cream midway through your scramble is a game changer. I'm telling you, you gotta try it. You don't have to do it with a scramble. You can do just regular old scrambled eggs alone with sour cream. Phenomenal. Try it. Trust me, it'll change your life forever. And so, at this point, everything's in that needs to be in at this point. You're just gonna keep on stirring it up. Make a little mess, because that's what I do. I ought to just rename this channel to the Making a Mess channel. Jeez. So stir it up until you get to the consistency you like. You don't want it to be runny. You want it to be all nice and consistent. Remember, some of this is going into the fridge unless you're using this as a guide to cook for 5 people. That's completely acceptable. So go ahead and clean up your second mess. That's probably more like your 4th or 5th, dude. But so just go ahead and give it a little once over. Check it. And that's about where I like it to be. So I'm going to turn off the heat, remove it from the burner, and I'm going to go ahead and get a serving spoon and some bowls. So there's my meal for this morning. It is Monday while recording this. I'll edit it this afternoon and get it out to you guys tomorrow. Ooh, add the jack cheese. And my favorite storage devices are these Pyrex dishes. So these are 2-cup containers. So let's see here. There's Tuesdays, there's Wednesdays. Let's see how I did on my math here. Thursday. All right. Maybe? Oh, look at that. Just a little bit shy on Friday. But one of them was a little heavy, so we're gonna...
Well, what did you think about that? Pretty simple. Look what we got. Look at that Monterey Jack. I told you it would melt really nicely. Nice and steamy. I'm gonna stir this up a little bit. Let's see what we did. I want to get a little bit of everything here. You gotta try this. Wow. That's a little hot. Temperature, not spicy. The hot sausage goes phenomenal with the Monterey Jack. The sauteed onions and butter with the garlic, you can taste it all. And look, I got breakfast this morning, and I got 4 loaded up for the rest of the week. Now, I did not put cheese on these. I'm gonna put my cheese on after I heat it up in the microwave. Let it get all melty. This is fantastic. You guys got to try this. Let me know in the comments below if you do, all right? So, listen, if you think you can't do this, remember, the only thing that's impossible is folding a fitted sheet. Thank you guys for hanging out. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Cheers.